Hello, how to solve x power x equals x power 4, solving for all values of x that satisfy this equation. So let's start it this way. If you consider a power b and this equals a power c, now the bases are the same. You have b equals c. So if you apply the same thing here, that means you have x equals 4. Now this is one way of finding the value of x here, but we have more than one solution. So how do we get all the solutions? So we make use of this method. So let's consider taking natural log of x power x equals natural log of x power 4. Now, if you have log a power p, this is just like writing p times log a. So this will give us x times natural log of x equals 4 times natural log of x. So what will happen here is that I can divide this by natural log of x, divide this by natural log of x, this eliminate this eliminate this, then I have x equals 4. Now this still gives us the same solution we had earlier on, which is this x equals 4 here. But there is how we can form an equation from this. So if you apply this identity again, you have x times natural log of x equals 4 times natural log of x. Instead of dividing just like what we did here, I can move this over here. I have x times natural log of x minus 4 times natural log of x equals 0. So what I can do now is to factor out natural log of x. I have it here. I divide this by natural log of x. I have x minus. I divide this by natural log of x. I have 4. And this equals 0. From here, I can have natural log of x equals 0. I also have x minus 4 equals 0. Now I can solve this individual equation. So let's start with this one here. You have x minus 4 equals 0. This is linear equation. You move this here. You have x equals 4. So this is still the same solution we had earlier on. Now to solve this other equation, which is natural log of x equals 0, I make use of e. I have e power natural log of x equals e power 0. Now what happened here is that the e eliminate the natural log. Then you have x equals e power 0. And what you should know is that any number or alphabet, exception of 0 itself, is to the power of 0 is 1. So here we have x equals 1. Now, in this particular method, we are having two different solutions, which are x equals 4 and x equals 1. That is interesting. Now, what we can do again is to solve this whole equation using this other method. I have x power x equals x power 4. Can divide this by x power 4. I divide this by x power 4. This eliminate this. I have x power x divided by x power 4 equals 1. Now consider having a power n divided by a power m. This is a power n minus m. If you apply this identity here, because the bases are the same, you subtract the exponent, you will definitely have x power x minus 4, and this equals 1. Now at this point, you can apply the natural log. You have natural log of x power x minus 4 equals natural log of 1. So what you can do now is to apply the same identity. Remember, if you have natural log of a power b, this is b times natural log of a. So the x minus 4 comes behind this. You have x minus 4 times natural log of x equals natural log of 1. And natural log of 1 here is 0. Remember that natural log of 1 is 0. So you have x minus 4 times natural log of x equals 0, meaning I can equate each of these to 0. I can have x minus 4 equals 0. I can also have natural log of x equals 0. Now, if x minus 4 equals 0, I'll have x equals 4. This is my first solution, the same one we had earlier on. For this, we made use of e power ln x equals e power 0. Now, e power ln x is x because this eliminates this, and this equals e power 0 is 1. Now, we are having the same two solutions again. So, guys, you can even check if you want to test for the values. You can check if you have x equals 4 and also x equals 1. And the question remains x power x equals x power 4. If you insert 4 for x, you have 4 power 4 equals 4 power 4. Now, what's the value of 4 power 4? 4 is a perfect square, which is 2 power 2 raised to the power 4, and this is 2 power 2 raised to the power 4. So from here, remember, if you have a power n raised to the power n equals a power n times n. So this is just like writing 2 power 2 times 4, 8, and this is 2 power 8. So 2 power 8 is simply 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times into 8 places. That is 256, because 2 power 5 is 32, 2 power 6 is 64, 2 power 7 is 128, 2 power 8 is 256, and this is 256. You can also test for x when x is 1. You simply have the same equation, which is x power x equals x power 4. And our x is 1. So you have 1 power 1 is the same thing 1 power 4. 1 power 1 is 1 equals 1 power 4 is 1, because 1 power any number is 1. So guys, this is it. This also is correct. So guys, this is how you can solve this exponential problem step by step. And I believe you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you and goodbye.